My wife is starting breakfast with rice and meat. I always thought it was the real hair, but I never knew that it was extensions or something like that. So I was
like, is this your hair? I'm like, yeah, this is my hair. And he was like, can I touch it?
Her cap. This.
Oh, you are bringing the cap to the.
Cap.
You are bringing the cap. Sadly, is this a grandma hair bonnet? Like, guys, tell me, don't I look beautiful in it?
Sanders Joyful Space. Subscribe.
Hello blessed, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and this is Sanders Joyful Space. Today I'm eager, like from the title you could see that you know why I'm eager. I really want to hear what Bobo has to say. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You have a lot to say.
Yeah.
You have a lot. You really have a lot to say. Okay. Anyway guys, today we'll be filming the real truth. Husband will be talking about what it is like living with a black woman, not just a black woman, a black African woman. Yes, that's what husband will be talking about today. His experience, what he has observed so far, what he has seen, all and all. Me too, I'm here to listen. I'm here to to hear from the horse's mouth. So husband, you are welcome to my channel once more. Hey, so what can you say so far, living with a black woman, an African woman?
Yeah, so first of all, I have experienced that for African women, family is more important. The whole of the family with mother, sisters, brothers, uncles, aunties, etc. This is in Germany, it's not quite the same. It was in the past, so that means family is very important for African women.
Yeah.
And you have married a family also, which yeah, you laugh about it, but
that's true. Yeah, I know. I'm not laughing because it's wrong. I'm laughing because like you are spot
I'm not
on.
complaining. It's okay. I accept it like this, and yeah.
So like you married the family. Really? Give some instances where you came to this conclusion that like we are big on family, like some instances.
Okay, so you go to meet the families and their families, the sisters, the brothers, the mother, everyone. When there's a party, everybody is joining, you have to be there. You have to help everybody when somebody needs your help, which I'm a very helpful person, so it's not a problem. I'm not complaining.
So I say, oh, help me to call this office, or my sister help me to call. Okay, yeah, it's true, because guys, you know, we don't joke with family. Like, you know, family is everything. That is very correct. For that one, Osby, you are right, you are spot on.
A second thing I've observed is that church is very important. In Germany, church is not so important anymore. Most people who go to church are elder people, like 50 and above. Young people not so much or not at all. They even retreat from church to save taxes, which you have to pay every month.
Yeah, just to add to it, yeah, in Germany here, there's a tax they pay to the church, just like to support the church. So if you're a member of the church, you have to pay this tax. So that's what Osby is talking about. So
African families, the church is very important. This is my thing which I have observed.
Really? Why do you say that? Like, we go to church like often more than Germans.
Yeah. You are practicing the worship to God more intensely. Germans go to church once a week, perhaps on a Sunday morning, and perhaps they join the Holy Communion, the Firmung, Taufe, so the baptizing, the marriage, for Easter, for Christmas, for Pentecost. Also for some special occasions you also go there, but this was it. You don't pray in the house. You pray perhaps before eating, but this is the only thing. You don't pray in the night or whatever.
So we are praying in the night. We're praying every time.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Okay. When you say a lot, what are you considering a lot?
I can't fix it on a number, because even when I say 2 times, it's more than in German families. Yeah.
Oh, really? And how do you see the prayer?
The prayers more intensely, the worship. I know it from the Afro-Americans, the American movies like Whoopi Goldberg and Sister Act or something like that. I knew this before, but to live this whole thing personally, it's something different.
Like to experience it.
To experience it, yeah.
Yeah, it's different. Really? I don't see it to be intense.
Yeah, because you're used to it. But for a German
You
guy,
just you wake up in the morning, you have to pray.
Yeah.
During the day, you have to like find time to pray. In the evening, the night, you have to just pray.
Nobody prays in the evening and in the night. And there are some people who are praying in the night, but it's seldom. It's just, I don't
Really?
know. Yeah.
Okay. So what else have you noticed?
The third thing, African women and their hair. They don't joke with it. They don't joke with it.
Really?
I have to say, as a German, I was always wondering, this hair of African women, it's always colored red or it's different, and I always thought it was the real hair, but I never knew that it was extensions or something like that. So and even my mother has told it to my wife, to Sandra. Oh, you have changed your hair? So she was wondering, huh?
Guys, you need to see a reaction. The day my mother-in-law saw me for the first time that I like did a different hair, because I always carry my braids, like I always do braids. So just before we got married, for the first time I went to fix a weave on, and immediately I stepped into the house, she was looking at me like this. I was wondering what she was like looking at or what she was looking for, and she said, "Where is your hair? Like, where is your hair, Sandra? Where is your hair? Where is your hair?" I'm like, "What do you mean by where is my hair? My hair is on my head." Like, I thought maybe my hair was missing. I was like, okay, did my wig fall off or what? What is she saying? So I touched my hair. I'm like, my hair is on my head. She was like, no, I can't find your hair. Where is your hair, Sandra? Where is your hair? What did you do to your hair? What happened to your hair? Where is your? I was like, imagine. And Cedric started to laugh, and it was like, she meant your hair, like the braids you were. Guys, it was very hilarious. That was when I now realized she was asking about my braids, and then I explained to her, those are just extensions, they are not my real hair, and she began to wonder, so what is your real hair like? Like, is this one your real hair, or is also I said it's an extension? Oh, okay. And she was quiet. She was so surprised. Like, it felt like all along she has thought that was my hair. She was very shocked. And the first time Cedric saw my hair, you need to see his reaction. The first time that I removed my hair, I told him, I wanted to go and do my hair. I was like, oh, okay. So he thought maybe I was going to maybe fix the braid, like maybe wash it or do something like that. Then I went to I removed my braids and everything. I was like, oh, what happened? I'm like, what do you mean what happened? I was like, is this your hair? I'm like, yeah, this is my hair. And he was like, can I touch it?
Yeah, this is a special thing of white Persians.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, a lot of Africans are complaining that white people always want to touch the hair of Africans.
I was like, okay, you can touch it, but the way he was so surprised, it made me feel like kind of a bit like okay. I thought they knew. Like, I actually thought you knew. It's not like maybe I was hiding. Like, I actually thought you were supposed to know it's not my hair.
No.
And I actually thought your family also knew it was not my hair.
It's very soft.
Okay. What's the next one you've noticed?
So next point is breakfast. We in Germany or in Europe or also in America, we start having breakfast with bread and marmalade, eggs, bread and butter, bread and sausage, bread and cheese. And my wife is starting breakfast with rice and meat. This is
please, guys, you wake up in the morning and you feel like eating rice. Like, is it not what you feel like eating, you eat? Wait, there's no rule that says that it has to be bread, tea, sausage, whatever. There is so much rules with your food. I don't understand. You just go with the flow. Like, if I even wake up and I want to eat fufu in the morning, like, why not fufu? You find it strange or what? You find it a bit...
when I wake up late, I also eat my lunch, so it's okay. But I don't wake up in the morning at 8 or at 7, and I don't eat rice and meat and with tomato sauce.
Really?
No, I can't do that.
Really?
Really. So I was remembering the last thing, her cap. This.
Oh, you are bringing the cap
this
to the.
cap.
You are bringing
This
the
cap.
cap.
This is one of the caps she always wearing. In Germany, grandmothers of 75 years or plus have this, but no young woman have this. This is it's a no-go. This is
But this is just an ending.
no.
Guys, please, you know the cap. This is just.
I can understand that women are wearing this because in the night of the hair it itches and so. But just me as a man, I see it as a. It's not so nice. I don't know. I don't like it.
It's just that I cannot go to bed with my braids, everywhere, sleeping. It's like it makes me feel like I feel uncomfortable. So it's not even like grandma style, guys. The air bonnet. It's nice. I don't know what he has with it. Since I bought it, he has been complaining. This is grandma style. This is grandma style. This is grandma style. Please, guys, help me. Just comment down below. Ladies, please come to your sister's rescue. Is this a grandma style? Please, is this air bonnet? I'll put a picture of the air bonnet, like me wearing it. Please, this is a normal air bonnet. If I bring it, let me show them. Please, guys, this is a normal hair bonnet. Let me wear it.
Yeah, I've seen other ones which are more intense. This one is a nicer one.
Let me wear it. Guys, how is this air bonnet looking? Is this grandma? Please, men in the house, ladies in the house, is this a grandma air bonnet? Please, guys, tell me. Sadly, is this a grandma air bonnet? Like, guys, tell me, men and women in the house, ladies, I look beautiful in it. Please, guys, comment down below if you think I look beautiful in this, or if you think I look.
Yeah, of course you look beautiful, but.
No. You said I look like a grandma. So please, guys, comment down below if I look like a grandma or I look beautiful. Why are you taking my cap away? You see, you don't want them to see. He doesn't want you guys to see and comment. Please, no hate on the cap. No hate on the cap. Okay. The cap is beautiful. It's nice.
That's all.
So that's all.
That's all.
That's all. Yeah. Okay. The next video will be the real truth about living with a German man, and I will be entering every corner, all the inside. You don't worry. I'll be stating it as it is, like the way you came to state your own as it is. That's how I will dish out my own hot as it is. Anyway, thank you very much if you've watched to this point, and if it's the first time coming across my face across this channel, I say you are welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I post any new video. And to my returning subscribers, we for what? We for dance. My blessed people, my blessed people, my blessed people, my blessed people. Thank you for always coming back to watch your girl. Thank you for your love, your support. I do not take you all for granted. See you all in my next video. Bye.